How to cancel premium subscription on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and log in using your account credentials. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to access the main menu. From the menu, select Settings, then scroll down to find Premium Subscription or Billing and Subscription. If you don't find it there, you can also go to the Google Play Store or App Store, tap on your profile and select Manage Subscription. Here you will see all the details of your current TextNow Premium plan. Select Cancel Subscription and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for cancelling, fill it out if required and confirm your cancellation. Once the process is completed, your premium subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. After that, your account will automatically revert to the free TextNow plan. Now you know how to cancel your TextNow Premium subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.